Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best tech cleaning product that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the OXO Good Grips Electronics Cleaning Brush. The OXO Good Grips Electronics Cleaning Brush is our best choice for tech cleaning products and perhaps the best and quickest solution for keeping your laptop, phone and more free of dirt. The dual cleaning capabilities offer a little more than your average cleaning kit, while the portability means you can clean on the go. You can sweep away dust as well as get to those frustrating hard-to-reach areas, and the soft bristles ensure you don't scratch your screens, which is probably what you're most concerned about. Cheap and cheerful, it's a true champion of tech cleaning. For more accessories that will keep your tech safe, check out our guide to laptop bags. Moving on at number 4, we have the Whoosh Screen Cleaner, a powerful product that can work as a phone, laptop, tablet, camera, car gadgets, and TV screen cleaner. The Whoosh Screen Cleaner is an excellent investment for anyone looking for a great value solution to keeping their tech as bacteria-free as possible. With it, you'll get one 3.4 ounces bottle, one 0.3 ounces bottle, as well as 2 cleaning cloths, and combined they'll eliminate as much as 99.99% of bacteria, preventing your screen becoming a pocket petri dish. It's small enough to take with you anywhere and is also non-toxic and odorless. All of this, along with the price, makes it the best screen cleaner in terms of value. At number 3, we have the MagicFiber Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. MagicFiber is a leading brand when it comes to finding an excellent, reliable screen cleaning cloth, and this is no exception. These microfiber cleaning cloths are a sweet and simple solution that is ultra soft and manage to absorb dust, dirt, debris, and fingerprints to ensure the cleanest screen possible. They're also durable with saw-toothed edges that prevent praying, while the individual wrapping keeps them both clean and dry. For the photography lovers among you, the gray cloth can also be used to white balance, which won't help you clean your screens, but is sure to come in useful. With MagicFiber, you already know what you're getting, so all you need to do now is figure out how many you want. At number 2, we have the Phone Soap 3 UV Cell Phone Sanitizer. Our premium choice is the Phone Soap 3 UV Cell Phone Sanitizer, which works its magic on devices of all shapes and sizes. Using UV rays, it zaps away all kinds of bacteria as well as charging your phone while all this is going on, which, if we do say so, is not just convenient, but cool, and we do love coolness. It's large enough to fit all phones, and you can clean other items as well if they fit in. If you want to splash the cash, it's a smartphone cleaner like you've never seen before, maybe even never thought possible. The future is now, guys. Just make sure you wear your sunglasses because the future is bright. And finally, at number 1, we have the ProCase Screen Cleaning Pad. A simple, straightforward phone cleaner, the ProCase Screen Cleaning Pad is a useful, easily portable and easy-to-use cleaning solution that clings to whatever is on your screen and removes it with ease. It doesn't leave scratches, smudges, dust, or fingerprints on your gadgets and is entirely chemical-free. It works perfectly on all kinds of screens, no matter if you're Apple, Android, or something else, as it's reusable, so you'll only need one to last you a lifetime. Each pack comes with 4 different colored pads, so you can hoard them like some clean tech-obsessed dragon, or share the love with family and friends.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.